Class 8, Chapter 8, Pollution, Part 4, Pollution and Pollutants. Friends, today pollution is the most important problem of 21st century. Students, in this part we see what is pollution and what are pollutants. Students, first we see what is pollution. The contamination of natural environment that will be harmful to ecosystem is called as pollution, or pollution is also defined as any solid, liquid or gaseous substance present in such a large concentration in air, water or soil that it tends to be injurious to environment and hazardous to life. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides in agriculture, increasing population and transportation, war, mining, urbanization and industrialization are some main reasons for pollution. Now let's see effects of pollution. Number 1, pollution affects plants and animal health. Number 2, the balance of nature is disturbed due to pollution. Number 3, pollution affects our great biodiversity. Number 4, the environment becomes poisonous due to pollution. Number 5, the environment loses its natural beauty due to pollution. Number 6, our water resources are contaminated due to pollution. Friends, these are some effects of pollution. Friends, now we see what are pollutants. The factors affecting natural functions of ecosystem and causing harmful effects on biotic and abiotic factors like plants and animals are called as pollutants, or the factors which are responsible for pollution are called as pollutants. Pollutants are found in solid, liquid or gaseous state. Pollutants makes the environment poisonous and unhealthy. Friends, generally there are two types of pollutants. These are natural pollutants and man-made pollutants. Natural pollutants are destroyed naturally in course of time, while man-made pollutants are not destroyed from nature. Friends, please watch my next video. What is air pollution? Thank you very much.